Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand, as you can see. And basically what this is a two-tier food steamer that you can use to steam your food. They do mention some of the features right here in the back, if you can see. There's a two-tier stackable containers right here, which is these two right here. It's really easy to clean, you just have to remove each part and wash it or rinse it. And it's also dishwasher safe, which is pretty awesome. There's a 60-minute timer, so you can change it by every 15 minutes, which is pretty nice. The product itself uses 400 watts of power to steam your products. So if you guys don't touch the product or use the product for a long time, it does have an auto off option. And then right here they mention some of the stuff that you can use it for, so vegetables, seafood, boiled eggs, dim sum or whatever, which is pretty nice. So first thing first, let's actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like and what comes out the package first. Alright, so when we first open the package itself, this is what comes inside. So they do provide us with a little instruction card to teach you guys how to use the product and everything else. Next we have the actual container and the product itself, and that's basically everything inside. So it's definitely really cool how small and compact it is right here. Everything fits into this small little thing right here that's all stackable. Alright, so here's the lid that they provide us. Next we have the product right here, if you can see. And then they use the US cable right here. So if you can see right here, it has like all the different modes right here and what time to use for everything. And then right here they have the little logo right here, the indicator right here. You just have to turn the knob to whatever you guys want to. And you can hear the little ticking. And then here are the two stackable containers right here, if you can see. So here are the two stackable containers, so just stack on top of each other to kind of like steam your product and whatever. And that's basically everything that I provided in the actual product itself. So let me actually set this up to show you guys what it actually looks like first. So this is what the overall product looks like. So you can cook stuff on the first layer or the second layer, which is pretty nice. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. So let me actually go try this out really quick and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so if you guys can see right here, there's a little line inside. So there's like a measurement of like how much to add. So the maximum is 500 milliliters and then the middle is 250 and then there's a minimum level right there. So you need at least that much water right here to use it. So we're going to use roughly a little bit more than 250 milliliters and then turn it on. So let me pour in some water first. Alright, so that should be good. So now I want to put on the actual steam pot right here. So I'm only going to use one and not two because I don't really need that many. So let me put this on top first. Alright, so we have everything all set up. You guys can see that the product itself is really wet. And the reason why it's so wet is because I had to wash it first. So make sure you guys wash the product before using it. So I got some dumplings and some dim sums right here. So I'm going to put it into the actual product right here. And then see how it works. So I'm not too sure if it's non-stick, but we'll find out after we try this out. So we're just gonna put all of it on top right here. Alright, so that should be good. Let's close it back up. Alright, so we have everything all set up. So all we have to do now is turn it to whatever you guys want to use it for. So I'll just set it for 15 minutes and come back and check on it every 5 minutes. Alright, so you can see that there's a lot of steam coming out now, if you guys can see. Alright, so it's been roughly around 15 minutes or so now. So the light turned off, you can see right there. Let's open up and see what it looks like. So you guys probably want to use two hands, so let me actually use two hands to take it out. Alright, so when we open the lid and everything, this is basically what it looks like. You can see it looks amazing. So I don't know if you need the full 15 minutes to fully cook it, but this is what it turned out. You guys can see, it looks amazing. And if you guys can see, the bottom is non-stick, so you guys don't have to worry about it sticking on the bottom, so that's definitely really cool as well. Alright, so I just removed everything from this plate to here. Let me show you guys what the bottom looks like. You can see everything dropped to the bottom, so you can see the little oils and everything from the actual product here. So really easy to clean everything. You just have to simply bring it over to like the sink, use some soap, rinse it, wash it, everything, and it's all set. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw a quick test of the product itself, you guys can see it actually does work, actually works quite well. It's definitely really easy to clean and saves a lot of space, because if you guys saw how the product came, it actually is just stacked in this small little thing that saves a lot of space, so you guys don't have to worry about wasting a lot of room. But definitely overall a really cool product and really simple to use. So now that we did a quick unboxing and testing on the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I think these are actually pretty worth it if you guys are trying to like steam stuff more often than like frying stuff or cooking stuff. Especially if you guys are trying to be more healthy, because this is definitely a lot more healthy option than like pan frying or grilling stuff or whatever. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, let me subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today, G Squad fan shout out day we have